Hello, welcome back to GSM Tips. Today I will show you how to hard reset your Samsung A25 5G. So for this, you have to plug in the data cable to a computer or laptop. Hold down the power button and the volume down until the phone goes off for a few seconds. And when the phone goes off, quickly switch your finger to the volume up, but keep holding the power button as well for a couple of seconds. Then let go of the power button, but keep holding continuously the volume up until the phone goes into recovery mode. Now you can disconnect the cable. Using the volume down button, select wipe data factory reset, confirm with the power button. Once again, select using volume down factory reset and confirm with the power button, and you're all done. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like it and subscribe if you wish, and I will see you next time.